Hello, I wanted to quickly show you a relatively new feature within Assetas. It's to create scheme correspondence. It's very similar to what we had in the pump, where we could create a pump communications log. So here's an older project, Terragula in Honduras, and looking at the communications log, lots of things have been recorded. Some of these things have to do with construction related activities. Those would be better recorded in the P3 software. But when you have correspondence relating to the operations or anything else related to the water scheme or sanitary scheme, you're welcome to create a communication log. So here's one from May 8th where the restore survey was conducted. So I want to demonstrate how we could replicate this within Assetas. I'm just going to copy that text out of the project and then switch over to the project in Assetas. Right now I'm looking at the scheme management dashboard, and I've pulled up the Terragula scheme in San Juan, Honduras. Scrolling down to the very bottom, you can now notice that there's a couple of windows, one for scheme correspondence and then one to add the correspondence. So the blue button on the right, click it to add a correspondence. We can choose a date. Let's just choose one, May 8th, 2023. May 8th, 2023. There's different types of correspondence you can choose. This doesn't change how the fields are formatted or any information. This is just a tag for our own personal use. So let's say this was just maybe an in-person conversation. I can leave the contact as your name or whoever had this communication. I will paste that information that I copied out of the pump and add it to that project. So now, if we scroll back down to, it went to the scheme asset record instead of back to the dashboard, but you can see that it will also show up in the scheme asset record. So there's now a blade called correspondence. So when you're in the details of the scheme record, you can now see that we've created a correspondence there. You can edit and delete it. So right now I'm going to delete it because this was just for demonstration purposes. So I hope you found that useful. If you have a lot of correspondence in old projects that you'd like to move from the pump over to Assetas, please let us know by creating a help desk ticket. Thank you.